is the deaf, principal, teachers, parents, guardians, and my beloved fellow students. I am writing anonymous and from kindergarten. Thank you, school, for giving us a safe place to learn and have fun. Thank you, everyone, for being kind and making us one. Again,